The ACL interference screw takes center stage in the realm of ligament reconstructions. Surgeons wield this essential tool to anchor grafts securely during anterior cruciate ligament ACL procedures, ensuring the restoration of stability and function. Its primary responsibility is to secure grafts firmly in the place during anterior cruciate ligament procedures. By doing so, the interference screw plays a critical part in restoring stability to the affected ligament, setting the foundation for successful rehabilitation and the eventual return to optimal joint function. The fundamental role can be likened to that of anchor, as the interference screw ensures that the graft becomes seamlessly integrated with the patient's bone. Titanium interference screws are widely utilized in anterior cruciate ligament reconstruction due to their exceptional strength, durability, and biocompatibility. These screws provide robust fixation, ensuring the graft remains securely in the place over the long term. The inherent stability offered by titanium makes it a preferred choice, especially in cases where enduring support is crucial for successful ligament reconstruction. Available in different diameters and lengths, these also offer ease of removal. In scenarios where the removal may be necessary, such as in revision surgeries due to patient-specific factors, titanium interference screws offer ease of extraction. This is advantageous for surgeons as it simplifies the revision process and minimizes potential trauma to surrounding tissues. For more information, you can always visit our website www.orthoimplantsindia.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.